Now, after the massive success of DeepSeek AI, China has launched another app, AI application, and that is by Alibaba. And we already saw that actually it was a bloodbath in American stock markets after DeepSeek, and they lost. The stocks were lost of about 3.5% of US economy size. And the company which lost the maximum was Nvidia. It lost something around $600 billion of stocks. So what does this show? Number one, first of all, the American companies are actually overvalued, and it looks to me like it's a bubble, and if this bubble bursts, it will be very hazardous for United States of America's economy. Number two, now it is between a Chinese app versus Chinese app. It's not between ChatGPT. Now we are talking about something which is better. DeepSeek is better, or the AI powered by Alibaba is better. And already the Alibaba's stocks in New York Stock Exchange, they have been plunged by 3%, almost 3 or 3.5% valuation. So now it is Alibaba versus DeepSeek, and not versus ChatGPT or other counterparts like Meta or others. So this also shows that US is somewhat lagging behind now in artificial intelligence as well. Then third thing, that US, whatever they do it very, very costly. Let it be in field of space sciences, or let it be in artificial intelligence. Because what we saw with DeepSeek, they made DeepSeek, which is somewhat better than what I have seen till now. It is somewhat better than ChatGPT, especially in the thinking process, in the deep thinking process, and its answers I found better than compared to ChatGPT. Though I can say that since it is a Chinese app, if you talk about political issues or geopolitical issues, it will somewhat toe the line of the CCP. But anyway, they have produced it in the fraction of cost of what Sam Altman's ChatGPT was produced, and with just about 200 engineers, whereas the ChatGPT was using somewhat about 4,500 engineers. So this shows that American system is not cost effective, and there is also a huge amount of corruption. We saw in space field as well. When India sent its rover at Mars, it was just on the fraction of cost of what NASA does. So let it be space science or let it be artificial intelligence, Americans do it very costly. Maybe a lot of money is involved in corruption in all these things in United States of America. Plus, American companies and American tech giants, they also lie, because I cannot forget that Sam Altman, when he quoted that it took them almost 10 years to make the open source, and it took billions of dollars, lot of funding, and he was trying to say that other countries cannot do it. But now we are seeing what is coming out in market. So I think it's not a very good time for American tech industry, and sanctions have not worked, because they were not supplying chips to Chinese. So how they managed it, this is also a big question. So they should look on other aspects of developing their own technology along with allies like India and other countries, rather than just dwelling upon sanction regimes.